Well, children, in the last class you have done exercise number 1.2. So today we will start from exercise number 1.3. In the exercise number 1.3, now just see question number 1 is subtract the first rational number from the second. Question number 2, simplify these questions. So start from first. Subtract first rational number from the second. So second number is this and first number is this. So this number is to be subtracted from this because second from the second number from the second से first को subtract करना है, first से second को नहीं subtract करना है question. So question number 1A, subtract first rational number from this one. So that means actually your question is 5 minus 7 minus 3 by 8. This you have to solve. So here first see whether any denominator is negative or not. If it is negative, first you make it positive as you have done in the earlier classes also. So this first you make positive. So for making this one positive, what we will do, here you can write 5 by 7. This you make negative. From the negative number multiply this and this, so it will become positive and it will become. So on behalf of 5 upon minus 7, you can write minus 5 upon 7. Again minus, this is minus 3 by 8. Now usually as you are doing for the subtraction, take the LCM of 7 and 8. So 8 and 7, the LCM will come 56. So 7, 8 is 56 and 8 into minus 5, so it will come minus 40. Minus 8, 7 is 56, 7 into 3, it will come minus 28. 1. So again open the bracket, minus 40 minus plus 21, so upon 56. So minus 40 plus 21, so it will come 10, 1, 9 and 3 minus 2, 1. So since this number, the bigger number having negative sign, so answer will be negative. So subtract from the bigger number to the smaller number and sign will be of the bigger number. So it will come minus 19 upon 56. So this is the answer of this question. So 1A is this. Now question number 1B. B part. Again subtract this number from the second number. So what will be the 5 by 14 minus 4 upon 21 here. So this again denominator is already positive, so no need of doing anything. Take the LCM of 14 and 21. 14 and 21, so as LCM will come 42. So 14 3 are 42 and 3 by are 50. Minus 21 2 are 42. So minus 8. So it is coming how much? 15 minus plus 8 upon 42. So this is coming 23 upon 42. This is the answer. This is the answer. So it is coming how much? 23 upon 42. Same way C equal subtract from 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. This you can do yourself. Now proceed on the second question. Second question, what is the second question? Question number 2. Simplify. Same thing here. Do simplify of this. So normal subtraction is there. So A 15 upon 11 minus 6 upon 7. Take the LCM of 11 and 7. It will come 77. 11 7 is 77. 7 5. 15 into 7 105 minus 77. 11 6 is 66. Subtract this one. So this is the answer of the question number 8. B, second B question. Minus 4 minus 2 by 7. This again see the number, and after that you minus 4 minus 2 by 7. So minus 4 minus 2 by 7. Here question number 2B. Question is minus 4 minus 2 by 7. This you have to simplify. Now here only minus 4 is here. So make it fraction. So if no denominator is given, this you can write minus 4 upon 1. Again minus 2 by 7. Take the LCM of this one. Take the LCM of this one. इसको उठा दो, उठा कभी क्लास के बाद दिखाएंगे, उतर रहा है ना, सब बाद में. So 1 7. This is 7. So 7 into minus 4 minus 28. 7 into 7 and 1 minus 2. So it is coming. Both the numbers are coming negative. So same sign will be always added and opposite sign will be subtracted. Both are negative numbers. So this we will add and the sign will be same. So this will come minus 30 upon 7. So minus 30 upon 7 is coming further to be. So this is the answer of this question. 2B. This is the answer to A, answer to B. Same thing C and D. So C and D you can do yourself. This will be homework for you. You can do yourself. So this way only in this exercise there were 2 questions only, and the next exercise is coming 1.4. So we will proceed 1.4. For the 1.4, now start 1.4, exercise number 1.4. So in the previous exercise there were 2 questions that I have solved also, and some question is left that will be the homework for you. From the book you can complete the चल रहा है ना, तो नहीं कर सकते. So Question number 1 is here. Each of the following a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Question number 1. You have to show a minus b is not equal to b minus a. As you have done in the last class also, this is what we are doing. This is the question of the subtraction, and in this subtraction, as we know that the commutative property does not follow. Same thing you have to verify, or same thing you have to justify. As you know that if in addition we change the order of the number, so it follows the commutative property. But in subtraction, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Same thing you have to justify. So if a is equal to minus 3 by 5, if a is equal to minus 3 by 5 and b is equal to minus 2 by 7, minus 2 by 7. So what you have to show, a minus b is not equal to b minus c. So here first do a minus b and after that b minus a. So a minus b is coming how much? Let us see. A minus b is equal to minus 3 by 5 minus 2 by 7. So this you proceed on 7 5. What is the LCM of this one? 35. 5 is 35 minus 21. So minus 5 7 7 3 minus 21 minus, here it is minus 7 5 5 into 2 minus 10. So again it will come how much? Minus 21 and minus plus 10 upon 35. So it is coming minus 21 plus 10. So one is negative, one is positive. So subtract from the bigger number to the smaller number. So 21 minus 10, it will come 11. 11 and sign will be negative. So it will come minus 11 by 30. So what you have done? A minus b is not equal to b minus a. This you have to prove. So a minus b, the value of a minus b is coming this much. Now find out the b minus a. Now b minus a. Write down the value b minus 2 by 7 minus 3 by 5. This you have to find out. So again here take the LCM of these numbers. 7 5 LCM 35. 7 5 plus 35. 5 into 2 minus 10 minus again 5 7 plus 35 minus 21 minus 21. So both the numbers, here this was negative and this was negative, so minus 10. So 7 5 plus 31, 5 into minus 2 minus 10, 5 7 plus 31 minus 7 into 3 minus 21. This is again equal to minus 10 minus plus 21 upon 35. So if we are solving this one, so from 21 subtract 10, so it will come 11. But since bigger number is positive, so this sign will be also positive. So it is coming 11 upon 35. 11 upon 35. So 11 upon 35. Now value of a minus b is coming minus 11 upon 35 and b minus a coming 11 upon 15. So this value is not coming equal. Therefore, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. This is proved. Because value of B minus A is this much and value of A minus B is coming this much. So both are coming. What you have to show? So A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Here value of A minus B is coming this and B minus A, and both are not coming here. So it is proved. That means the commutative property in subtraction, it is not good. It is not followed in commutative property. So this way the remaining two questions are there regarding the same pattern. So you have to do in the homework. The second question, question number 2. Now see the question number 2. In each of the following, so that question number 2, question number 2, so that A minus B minus C, A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C, A minus B minus C. And if the value of A, B, C is A is equal to minus 2 by 3, if A is equal to minus 2 by 3, B is equal to 5 by 7, and C is equal to minus 1 by 6, minus 1 by 6. So that A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B. This is also just like associative property. So this property you have to prove. This property is also you have to prove, and this thing also. If A is equal to minus 2 by 3, B is equal to minus 5 by 7, and C is equal to minus 1 by 6. So in this case, you also verify. Same way, find out the value of A minus B minus C and A minus B minus C. In both cases, if it is not coming equal, so that means whatever you have to show, that is already shown. That is already proved. So first find out the A minus B minus C and B here also A minus B minus C. Put the value of A, B, C. So here on behalf of A you can write the value, putting value A minus 2 by 3 minus B 5 by 7 minus C is minus 1 by 6, and here also you put minus 2 by 3 minus A minus B, A minus 2 by 3, B 5 by 7 minus C minus 1 by 6. Both sides you solve separately and compare this one whether it is coming equal or not. That you have to do only. Now see, open the bracket, minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 7. First you solve the bracket. So first solve here is equal to minus 2 by 3 minus inside the bracket the LCM is coming 42. Here it is coming 30 minus 7. Again next step, minus 2 by 3 minus, so 30 plus 7 upon 42. Again minus 2 by 3 minus 30 plus 7, 37 upon 42. Now take the again LCM of 3 and 42, it will come 42 minus 28 minus 37. Both are since negative, so we will add this one. 8 plus 7, 15, and 2 plus 3 plus 1, 6. So negative, it is coming 42. So A minus B minus C, the value is coming this much. A minus B, this is value of. Now this side you solve A minus B minus C. This also you solve. First write the LCM of 3 and 7, 21 minus 14 minus 15. So it is coming in bracket minus 1 by 6. Again minus 90 upon 21 minus 1 by 6. So minus 90 upon 21 minus 1 by 6. Take the LCM. 42 minus 38 minus, it will become positive 7. So it is coming 38, subtract 37, subtract 7 from 38, 8, 7, 1 and 3. Minus 31 upon 42. Here it is coming, this value is coming this much and this value is coming this much. Therefore, A minus B. So this is not coming. So this is minus 65 upon 42 is not equal to minus 31 upon 42. Both are not coming equal, therefore A minus B, A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. So this is question number 2. Now we will proceed question number 3. Question number 3. Again, 2 more questions in this one also, so that will do yourself. Question number B, 2B and 2C, do yourself. And so A minus B minus C is equal to A minus B. Question number, this is the do yourself. Now, see the question number 3. Question number 3 is question number 3. In the question number 3, just see sum of two rational number is minus 3 by 5. Sum of two rational number. Sum of two rational number is equal to, it is given minus 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5. If one of the number is minus 9 by 20 and one of the number is minus 9 upon 20, find the other rational number. Find the other. So other number you have to find out. Sum of the two rational number is this one. One number is given minus 9 upon 20. Other number you have to find out. So accordingly, two numbers. The second number you have to find out. So that number you let. Suppose that number is x and find out the value of the other number. Suppose let other number is x. So according to the question, sum of two number is coming this much. So x plus this number. So x plus minus 9 upon 20 is this is the sum of two number, minus 3 by 5. So in this way, you only find out the value of x and you have let the other number is x. So whatever the value will come for x, that will be your answer. So x is equal to how much? This number it is going to the other side. So sign of this number will be changed. So here it is positive. So it can be subtracted. Minus 3 by 5 minus 9 upon 20. So take the LCM of this one. 5 and 20. 5 4 get 20. 4 minus 4 into minus 3 is coming minus 12. Minus now 21 to 20. So here it is coming minus 9. Again solve this one. Minus 12. Open the bracket. Plus 9 upon 20. So this is both are the different sign. So always it is subtracted. So 12 minus 9 it will come 3. But since 12 is having the negative number, bigger number, here what sign we will put? Sign of the bigger number. So bigger number is negative, so it will come minus 3 upon 20. This is coming the value of x, and this value will be the other number. So other number will come. Other number will come minus 3 upon 20. This is the answer of this question. This is the answer of this question. See the time, so how much it is. So now see 30 minutes, more than 30. Stop. So one question I have solved. Now remaining question 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, that will be your homework. So for the homework, question number 1. Subtract first number from second number. Four by 5 and 2 by 3. 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. First, question number 2. Question number 2. Simplify the following. Simplify. A 9 upon minus 10, 9 upon minus 10 minus 6 upon 15, 9 upon minus 10 minus 6 upon 15. B 1 by 8 minus 5 by 24. Question number 3. The sum of question number 3 here solve question number 4 to question number 8 of exercise 1.4. This is the homework. So this is 1.4. Today is the, now next we will see the 1.5 in the next class. Thank you very much. So,